Lake Michigan forecast for waters beyond 5 nautical miles. For the north 2/3, tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots increasing to 15 to 25 knots. Chance of showers, waves 2 to 4 feet. Sunday, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Waves 4 to 6 feet. Sunday night, west winds 20 to 30 knots. Waves 5 to 7 feet. Monday, northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. For the south third, tonight, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Sunday, south winds 10 to 20 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Sunday night, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Waves 3 to 5 feet. Monday, west winds 10 to 20 knots shifting north. Waves 2 to 3 feet. The nearshore forecast for Lake Michigan from New Buffalo to Holland tonight. Northwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast after midnight. Clear this evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Waves 1 to 2 feet, decreasing to 1 foot or less. Sunday, south winds 5 to 15 knots. Partly sunny. Waves 1 foot or less, increasing to 1 to 2 feet. Sunday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Partly cloudy. Waves 1 to 2 feet. From Holland to Whitehall tonight, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast after midnight. Clear this evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, south winds 5 to 15 knots. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 2 feet, increasing to 2 to 3 feet. Sunday night, south winds 5 to 15 knots, veering to the southwest after midnight. Partly cloudy. Waves 2 to 3 feet. And from Whitehall to Manistee tonight, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast after midnight. Clear this evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, south winds 5 to 15 knots. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 2 feet, increasing to 2 to 4 feet. Sunday night, south winds 5 to 15 knots, veering to the southwest after midnight. Partly cloudy. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Hazardous weather potential statement for the southwest quarter of lower Michigan for tonight. Hazards. Hazardous weather is not expected tonight. Discussion. High pressure drifting across the region will keep the weather rather quiet tonight. Partly cloudy skies are expected tonight. Therefore, spotter activation will not be needed tonight. Hazardous weather potential for Sunday through Wednesday. Hazardous weather is not expected in the outward period of Sunday through Wednesday.
Grand Rapids climatological data for the month of August 2001. The average monthly temperature was 71.6 degrees, which is 2.5 degrees above normal. The average daily high, 81.0, and the average daily low, 62.2 degrees. The warmest temperature was 94 degrees, and that occurred on the 8th. Coldest temperature, 52, and that occurred on both the 14th and 15th. We had one heating degree day for the month, which is 17 below normal. Our seasonal total stands at 21, which is 3 above normal. We had 212 cooling degree days for the month, which is 55 above normal, giving us a seasonal total of 590, which is 75 above normal. We measured 3.48 inches of rainfall, which is 9/100 of an inch below normal. The 2001 total, 24.8 inches, and that's 2.05 inches above normal. We had 58% of the possible sunshine, and the peak wind gust for the month was 36 miles an hour from the west, and it occurred on the 16th. We had one record for the month. On the 16th of August, we tied the daily record low maximum temperature of 71 degrees, which was last set in 1924.
Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KIG-63 in Grand Rapids, transmitting on the frequency of 162.55 MHz, and WWF34 in Ashtabula, transmitting on the frequency of 162.475 MHz. Conditions around the area at 8 p.m. At Grand Rapids, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 63 degrees, the dew point 50, and the relative humidity 62%. The pressure was 30.06 inches and rising. Across the remainder of southwest lower Michigan, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy, and temperatures were between 60 and 65 degrees. In southeast lower Michigan, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy, and temperatures were between 64 and 66 degrees. Across northern lower Michigan, temperatures were between 54 and 61 degrees. At Helena, it was clear. At Traverse City, it was mostly cloudy. At Mount Pleasant, it was fair. In the Upper Peninsula, Sault Ste. Marie was 59 degrees under partly cloudy skies. In neighboring states, Chicago was 63 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. In Cleveland, it was partly cloudy and the temperature was 62. Once again, at 8 p.m., Grand Rapids was 63 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Here's the forecast for Grand Rapids and vicinity. For tonight, clearly then becoming partly cloudy. Cool at lows in the mid-40s. Light and variable wind. For Sunday, partly sunny and warmer. Highs near 80. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. For Labor Day, partly sunny. Highs near 80. And for Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Here's the forecast for the lakeshore. For tonight, clearly then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Light and variable wind. For Sunday, partly sunny and warmer. Highs near 80. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. For Labor Day, partly sunny. Highs near 80. And for Monday night, partly cloudy. Low in the upper 50s. And now the extended forecast. For Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs around 80. For Wednesday and Thursday, partly cloudy. Lows around 60. Highs in the 80s. For Friday, chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows 60 to 65. Highs 80 to 85. And for Saturday, cooler with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows 50 to 55. Highs 70 to 75.